Ready? I want to see them elbows hit the floor. Ready? Come on. Get them. 1, 4. Come on, CUNY. Shannon's going to see this one. 10, 12. Elbows to the floor. And then drive those elbows to your hips. I think this is 20 right here. Hold something. Hold something. Go. Say 21, 22. Drive them elbows to your hips. 25. Hold this one. Go. 31. Get up. Get up. 35. 15 to go. Yeah, we're going to 50. 39. Hold number 40 right here. Hold it. Hold it. Drive them elbows to the floor, to your hips. 1. 43. Come on, get up high with them shoulders. Hold the last one. Roll over. Roll over. Ready? Up. And I mean get up. Down. Up. Down. 3. Up. Down. Up. Down. Get up right. 5. Knees better not touch the ground. Down. 10. Up. 8. 10. Down. 2 more. Down and up. Stay there. Down. Up. Left foot forward. Place yourself. Don't move. Go. Run. Come on back. Try it a little quicker. Hit that line right there. Is that good? Right there, right there, right there. Ready? Spread your feet shoulder width apart. 30 of them. 30. 2. 5. 7. 10. Got dresses to squeeze in. 14. You better get them hands back there. 16. 20. 10 more. 21. Rip the back of those legs. 26. 30. Come over here. That's good. Get down right here and do it. Lunge and thrust. Come on down. 10 and 10. Don't stop. Get him, Ashley. See, you better make that. I'm watching them knees. 5. Butt to come up and down. 7. You want to burn your thighs? This is how you do it. 10. Other side. Go. Come on, young lady. 3. How bad you want it? 4. How bad you want it? 6. Huh? 8. Nice. Very well. Very, very well. Very, very well. Ashley CUNY on the set.